Hey everyone, how's it going? For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Nancy and welcome. And for those of you that have been here before, hey, how's it going? Welcome back. I want to start off by saying that if you're not subscribed, then you should definitely hit that subscribe button. And also guys, I'm so sorry. I promise I do not sound like this every single day of my life. I'm like almost too sick to function right now. I'm pretty sure you can't tell because I have a full face of makeup on. I promise that underneath all of this I feel pretty much horrible, but I did want to get a video up for you guys on this beautiful new year. I hope that all of you had a wonderful New Year's Day. Goodbye to 2017 and hello 2018. I honestly can feel that 2018 is going to be a wonderful year. 2017 wasn't the greatest year, but wasn't like the most horrible year ever. So who cares, you know, it's done and over with. And 2018, I'm looking forward to you. How about you guys? Let me know down below in the comments section. So for today's video, I brought to you guys this beautiful brownish grungy look. I do realize that I'm wearing like a bright red shirt and my makeup is grungy, but hey, you know, we gotta work with it. Like I said, too sick to function right now. Like I can't even think straight. If you want to find out how I got this gorgeous, beautiful makeup look, then you should definitely keep watching. Hey everyone, so for today's video, I'm going to be going in with the Meet Matte Nude Palette by the Balm Cosmetics. The first color that I'll be using is the color Matte Rosin, and I'm just taking a fluffy brush and applying that to the crease. This is actually the color that we're going to use all on the crease in our lid. So just build up the color as much as you can. Then I'm going to be taking a flat brush and putting that same color on the lid. And I'm just going to pack that on the lid. And then I'm going to take the same fluffy brush that I was using at first, and I'm just going to blend it out so it won't look like I just put a harsh line there. Then I'm going to be taking the color Matte Wood. This is a much darker brown that comes in the palette, and I'm going to be taking a pencil brush and I'm going to focus that mainly in the outer corner of the eye. I do want to keep this more towards the outer corner of the eye. Don't extend it towards the center of the eye because I think that this is going to give it the grungy look that we're going for. So you can't really blend out too well with the pencil brushes. It is just a really good brush to pack some shadows on. So I'm just going to be taking a different brush so I can blend those colors out together. And then I'm just going to keep going back and forth with the darker color Matte Wood. And I'm just going to be intensifying the darkness of it because I do want the outer corner to be super dark. Then I'm going to be taking the Kylie Cosmetics 20th birthday edition palette, and I'm going to be taking a angled eyeliner brush, and I'm going to be using the black in that eyeshadow palette, and I'm just pretty much going to be doing a cat eye, a winged liner, and I'm not going to make it perfect. I'm kind of going to smoke it out. I think that, you know, it adds the little grungy look, and I also didn't want to go in with a liquid eyeliner because I think it would be a little bit too defined and I wouldn't be able to blend it out. So this is why I chose a powdered black shadow, and I also like this color because it's not a super intense black, but it's definitely a black, so it just kind of brings the look together. For the under eyes, I'm going to take the color Matte Wood, and then I'm going to go on to lashes. So the lashes that I'm using are from Bombshell Cosmetica. I recently purchased a lot of their lashes because they were on sale. They had a 50% off sale, and I definitely had to buy some. Look at how gorgeous they are, guys. I have mentioned Bombshell Cosmetica in my videos in the past, and I absolutely love their lashes, guys. They are super high quality lashes, and I love the fact that they upgraded their packaging. Their packaging now comes in this beautiful pearl packaging and red, and their lashes have always been of amazing quality, and I like the fact that they finally put their style names on the packages, so that's good. If you're interested in purchasing some lashes, I do have a discount code with them. You can use the discount code Nanci Fraire for some money taken off, and I'll go ahead and link everything down below in the description. The lashes that I'm wearing in this video are called Monroe, and I also got in the style, well, another one of the Monroes, I got Valentina and Infraganti. So I'm just going to be applying some highlight in the highest points of my face, and for the cheek highlight, I'm going to be going in with the Kylie Cosmetics Loose Highlighter Powder, and it's going to be in the color Santorini. Then I'm just going to be setting my face with the Mario Badescu setting powder, and I'm going to be going in with this NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Honeymoon. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and until next time guys.